everybody, it's Ruth at Ruth's Art Room, and I was just going to follow up on the little movie I did yesterday about the how-to on how to make the loaded tags with the Gingham and Geese Kit. And I've also just created a loaded tag paper, a hidden paperclip kit that I'm getting ready to upload. I don't know if you've ever seen how these work, but they're really cute. They've got little tags. I did put on some, let me see if I can get that a little closer. I did put a little ribbon on this one. And what you do is, say you've got your junk journal and it's got a paper clip up inside of here, and you can use it like a bookmark. So, and then when you close the book, isn't it cute? So I've gotten kind of hooked on these. So I'm going to show you really quickly. The kit comes with 6 different mix and match. Let's see, cutouts. I only printed a few of them because let's see, let me get this back up a little, make sure that's focused. All right, so I printed off a few of them, like you can see the one here. That comes with directions, which will be included in the kit. So real quickly, we'll just go through this. You've got your, and they're all kind of numbered. So this is the outside. I've already obviously cut off the first one. So you've got another page of 3 more options. So this is just what I was going to show today, one of these kits to put together. We're going to do this really quick. I really like how these prints turned out. So just around the corners. And there's nice markings, so you're going to know where to make the folds. All right, so there's that. And then I think for the outside cover, and the thing about the shabby journaling kit that I put together is, the great thing about it is everything doesn't have to be matchy-matchy. You know, you can just put different patterns together and it just still looks really good. we'll put the other aside for a minute. So with the instructions, I found that it's a big help to use a ruler and a little scoring device if you want your things to be straight. So really quickly, I'm going to just score this straight down the middle. Actually, this and the little sharper blade actually does a better job. And it's marked where your paper clip is going to go. Now for the top part, you're going to score on each side, and you'll see why in a minute. So there's kind of a black line in the center, so you're going to score on either side of that black line. Okay. So first with this side, this is, you're going to see it's got the ABC, and A is actually the little part at the top. This is going to fold underneath, and you're just going to have this part visible. And you're going to glue this together. All right. I'm just going to glue that. Then we're going to fold again where you just scored, and you're going to put a paper clip. And just go ahead and put it down there. Now you're going to take this part, the D and the E, this is E, this is D, and where we've scored on each side, you see that? Oops, you're going to have almost like this little boxy place here, and that's so you've got room to go on top of the paper clip. And see, this is just going to fit directly over this, and you're going to have this room for the paper clip. Does that make sense? So it will once you get it on. I am going to clean up the edges just a little bit. Actually, I think I'm going to distress the edges a little bit. Even though they look pretty distressed, I always do a little bit more. And I'm going to do it here. Kind of just helps if you don't cut exactly. You can cover up some of that white you left. All right, so I'm going to get some glue. And we're going to stick this one on top. This Tombow glue is pretty sticky, so you don't want it popping off, so it's good stuff to have. And just kind of center it. edges are nice and neat. I'm just going to I mean, you'll still feel that paper clip up in there, but once you've got this glue, and I do recommend using a type of a liquid glue to make it pretty sticky. So because the glue stick, it might pop off. Now while that's drying, see, it's pretty easy already. This kit comes with a lot of different, again, 2 pages of different pockets. This is just the 1 page. So I think I'm going to do a front and a back pocket. Do this one. Actually, I could show you this overlay because this might be a little more complicated. So let me show you how these work. All right, switch my scissors. Like I said, they're nice and marked for you to fold. All right, so once again, you're going to score. I'm losing. All right. All right, so we're going to score along the fold edges for these little tiny pockets. And so those fold pretty easily. So the way these go is you put a big one and then a small one on top. So I'm going to try double stick tape on this. So you're going to just put that on top of this top layer. Okay. And then just put this on top. So now you've got a great little double fold pocket there. I did cut out from the other kit, the main mega kit, I did cut out a little goose so you could just tuck her right into there. Then on the other side, I'm going to put another pocket because you can't have enough. So we're going to put this one on the back. All right, and we're going to score. I think these would make cute little gifts, like for bookmarks or people who like to read, or to use in a cookbook to mark pages. It's just, and you could maybe put your little flags or something, your little sticky flags, and keep them in here and then mark in your cookbook like your favorite places. Just an idea. All right. Wrong tape. And I'm just going to put it back here. And then this comes with a set of tags and then a whole nother set of cut out different ephemera as well to put in. So lots of choices to mix and match with your pockets, your ephemera. You could double print on the back of here. I am including a background page. So if you want to use that on the back of your ephemera, I'm including that in the kit as well. But then you can just tuck this in here. You could put lace, but there you go. Just remember, this does not come with the kit. This is in the mega kit with the fussy cuts, but I just had it already cut out and I think it looks really cute. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon.